Alright designers, in this video, I will tell 5 games that enhance beginner graphic designer editing skills to the pro level before starting the video. If you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Alright designer, first game is supremo.co.uk, it's free. You will learn the center point of objects, all the link is given in the description. Second game is boolean.method. In this game, you will learn union, subtract, intersect, and difference of different shapes. Third game is contuncy. In this game, you will learn design concepts and identify between good and bad graphics. Fourth game, shape type. In this game, you will learn Pentool. Fifth game is kern type. In this game, you will learn basic to master levels of alignment. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.